Welcome, here I've got Sharp Aquos R2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the picture settings. At the second place here we have the guide line. When we tap on it we can add some grid lines to our camera. As you can see we have some wide choice, so the grid lines are helpful, for example when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Let me show you for example the person tool, and in the camera preview we can see that these lines have appeared, and also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can see them. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. Now let's go back to the right corner to the guide line, and let me show you for example Fibonacci 2. So this is kind of spiral grid lines. As you can see, this is how they look like, and I suggest you to making experiments with all of that and just have a good fun. We can also turn them off here, and as you can see now they have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.